Welcome to the Builder Group in-depth real estate market. Today I'm going to be providing you with the most up-to-date housing statistics for Hillsborough and Pinellas counties of Florida as of April 2025. My goal is to deliver clear, fact-driven insights broken down by single-family, detached homes, and attached homes. So overall, both Hillsborough and Pinellas counties are experiencing significant shifts with increasing inventory levels providing more options for buyers. However, the market dynamics differ distinctly between single family and attached homes in each county. Let's begin with the overall market trends for Hillsborough County for April 2025, combining both single family and attached homes. In April of 2025, Hillsborough County recorded a total of 1,708 closed sales, marking an 8% decrease compared to this time last year. New pending sales also declined by 11.7% year over year for a total of 1,827 for the month. However, new listings showed positive growth, increasing by 5.8% year over year to 2,749 in April. This influx of new properties has significantly boosted the overall inventory. Active listings in Hillsborough County surged by a remarkable 37.9% year over year, reaching 7,047 homes on the market. The absorption rate for the combined market in April 2025 was 28%, which indicates that homes are selling at a much slower pace compared to previous years, suggesting a shift towards a buyer-friendly market. Now let's dive into the statistics for single-family detached homes in Hillsborough County for April 2025. The single-family market in Hillsborough County is experiencing a period of price adjustment. The median sales price for single-family homes in April of 2025 was $417,000. Marking a 2.9% decrease compared to this time last year. The average sales price also saw a slight dip of 0.2% year over year, standing at $540,788. Inventory levels for single-family homes have substantially increased, and active listings reached 4,960 in April, a significant 36.9% increase from a year ago. And new listings for single-family homes were up 8.7% year over year, with 2,126 new properties added to the market. The average days on the market for single-family homes before going under contract was 31 days, a 24% increase from this time last year. The median time to sell was 72 days, up 14.3% from this time last year. So what this indicates is that properties are taking longer to sell. Closed sales for single-family homes totaled 1,326, a 6% decrease compared to the same month last year. New pending sales also saw an 8.9% year-over-year decline with 1,441 homes going under contract. The months of supply of inventory for single-family homes in Hillsborough County was 4 months in April of 2025, a 42.9% increase from 2.8 months in April of 2024. A balanced market is typically considered to have about 5.5 months of inventory. So this indicates a market that is still leaning towards sellers, but with significantly more supply than recent years. The absorption rate for single-family homes was 28% in April 2025. Sellers of single-family homes received on average 97% of the original list price, which is a 0.8% decrease from April of 2024. So not too bad. Now let's look at the market for attached homes, which includes condos and townhomes in Hillsborough County for April of 2025. The attached home market is showing a much more pronounced shift towards buyers. The median price for townhomes and condos in April of 2025 was $292,995, a 2.3% decrease from April of 2024. Inventory levels for attached homes has also surged, and active listings reached 2,087 in April, a 40.2% increase from this time last year. New listings, however, saw a slight decrease with 3.3% year over year, with 623 new units added. Properties are taking longer to sell in this segment as well. The average days on market for attached homes before contract was 36 days, which is a 24.1% increase from April of 2024. The median time to sell was 76 days, up 10% year over year. Closed sales for townhomes and condos totaled 382 in April of 2025, a 14.5% decrease compared to April of 2024. And new pending sales also fell by 20.7% year over year, with only 386 units going under contract. The month's supply of inventory for attached homes in Hillsborough County was 5.9 months in April of 2025, a significant 59.5% increase from 3.7 months in April of 2024. This figure places the attached home market firmly in buyer's market territory. Sellers of attached homes received on average 96% of their original list price, which is a 0.7% decrease from April of 2024. All right, let's shift our focus to Pinellas County, starting with the overall market trends for April 2025. In Pinellas County, the combined market for single-family homes and townhomes and condos saw 1,480 closed sales in April of 2025. That was a 12.8% decrease compared to that time last year. New pending sales also declined by 11.4% year over year for a total of 1,512. New listings increased by 3.8% year over year to 2,547. This contributed to a substantial 31.7% year over year increase in active listings, reaching 8,388 homes on the market. The overall absorption rate for Pinellas County in April of 2025 was 24% for single-family homes and 12% for condos, indicating again a slower selling pace and a shift towards a buyer's market, particularly for attached condos and townhomes. All right, let's break down the data for single-family detached homes in Pinellas County for April 2025. The median sales price for single-family homes in Pinellas County was $465,000 in April of 2025, which is a 4.1% decrease compared to April 2024. The average sales price also fell by 13.4% year over year to $596,278. Inventory levels for single-family homes saw a significant increase, and active listings reached 4,105 in April, which was a 50.1% increase from a year ago. New listings for single-family homes were up 9.2% year over year, with 1,543 new properties added. The median time to contract for single-family homes was 28 days, which is a 7.7% increase from April of 2024. The median time to sale was 63 days, which is up 1.6% year over year. Closed sales for single-family homes totaled 946 in April of 2025, which was a 9.8% decrease compared to last year. And pending sales saw a slight 1.9% decrease year over year, with 994 homes going under contract. The month's supply of inventory for single-family homes in Pinellas County was higher than Hillsborough County at 5 months in April of 2025, which is a 51.5% increase from 3.3 months in April of 2024. This indicates that market is approaching a balance with more options for buyers. Sellers of single-family homes received on average 94.9% of their original list price and 0.7% decrease from April of 2024. Finally, let's take a look at the market for attached homes, which are condos and townhomes in Pinellas County for April of 2025. This segment is clearly a buyer's market. The median price for townhomes and condos in April of 2025 was $280,000, representing an 8.2% decrease from this time last year. The average sales price also declined by 10.1% year over year to $412,522. Inventory levels for detached homes has significantly increased, and active listings reached 4,283 in April, which is a 17.8% increase from this time last year. However, new listings saw a 3.6% decrease. Properties are taking longer to sell. The median time to contract for attached homes was 42 days, which is a 4.5% decrease from April of 2024, but the median time to sell was 77 days, which is a 6.1% decrease from year over year. Closed sales for townhomes and condos totaled 534, which is 17.6% less than this time last year. And pending sales also fell by 25.4% year over year, with 518 units going under contract. The month's supply of inventory for attached condos and townhomes in Pinellas County was 8.6 months in April of 2025, a 43.3% increase from 6 months in April of 2024. This here clearly indicates a buyer's market offering significant negotiating power to you buyers out there looking. Sellers of attached homes received on average 93.1% of their original list price, which is a 0.7% decrease from April 2024. Beyond these core county statistics, several other factors are influencing the broader Tampa Bay real estate market. Mortgage interest rates in Florida for April 2025 were estimated to be around 6.7% for a 30-year fixed conventional mortgage. While these rates have stabilized from higher points in late 2024, they do continue to impact the buyer's affordability. Affordability remains a significant challenge. Homeowners insurance premiums in Florida have dramatically increased by over 400% in the past 5 years. Additionally, increases in the U.S. tariffs on imported construction materials have led to a 6 to 9% increase in construction costs across Florida in the first quarter of 2025 alone. This indirectly affects overall housing prices. Investor activity is also shifting. We're observing a slowdown in all-cash deals that once were common during our market peak. However, there has been an uptick in younger buyers entering the market, trying to escape those higher rental rates, and continued strong demand from international buyers seeking investment opportunities and diversification in their portfolios. In summary, the Hillsborough and Pinellas County housing markets in April of 2025 are clearly rebalancing. We are seeing increased inventory levels across both single-family and attached homes, which does provide more choices for buyers. Single-family homes are experiencing slight price adjustments and longer time on market, while the attached home market is firmly in a buyer's market territory due to significant supply and rising ownership cost. Buyers, this period offers increased negotiation power and more time to make informed decisions. For sellers, accurate pricing, strategic marketing, and a clear understanding of the current market conditions are more. Remember, real estate is incredibly local. While these county-wide statistics provide a valuable overview of market conditions, they can vary significantly from neighborhood to neighborhood. If you'd like to understand how these trends specifically impact your property, or you're looking to buy or sell a particular area, and you want the same in-depth research for your specific neighborhood or property type, don't hesitate to reach out for a personalized market analysis. Thank you for joining me today on this comprehensive market update. I will continue to post these monthly, so be sure to hit the like and subscribe button.